video leso nde.
Akupa the name of Champagne Medicine if you don't know.
Sambonani makhotmani nabafazikazi kunye nawe mfakazi uzongifakazela ukuthi mengimphethe ushake it up. Somebody kuma comment uthe uyamfuna yangithola hey indaba zanzanza amadolo. So yeah ngizomyakaza introduce because most people bamkena ngoshake it up yabo. Khotmani la ngicela introduce ngegama lakho lamampela nangesibongo usho ukuthi uphuma va.
Sibusiso shake it up Msibi. Ngihlala la eKhumalo la e7. Aslami.
So Khotmani la most people baphikisana ngalento le yamadolo ngebhola laseKasi uthi iqale kanjani yabo. So mina sicela usibrief usitshele ukuthi okay ushake it up ngoshukele eKasi nalele ngizedolo zibuyapi.
Bangakhuluma ama-chance. Bangakhuluma bangazikhulumela yabo.
Bakhulumela wena.
Idolo dala ngalicala nje yami.
Khona uqale
primary yabo.
Sure.
Primary maybe uma 2003-4.
So most ama player balibona nga.
Abalibona ngami angazi khona uringayo yabo. Angasho mara ngiyabona ngoba like ithi ngibike kanje lento. Yabo wonke umuntu usuka le esowethu ezela spirit.
Sure.
Azokopi itaye.
Osho bazikopa kuwe litaye.
Bazikopi spirit, bazikopa kiwo. Bazikopi spirit.
So ezukena uthi khona ushake it up, khona ushakes. Ubani nje la mebathi balibhala balibeka phansi balitapate.
Shake it up obvious.
Because mina Khotmani ngikena udlala
Na compare itayela lo musinsa eza kanje. Ushaya Jordan how many years?
akazishintsha itaye.
Hayi ngifuna ukungicompare futhi.
Ayikho nje for ushake it up.
Mina ngi-understand ukuthi why ngicompare like nabo msheke ushuka. I don't understand.
Into encane.
Esami isibongo sibhalela ngisho PSL ngisibe ne. So yabona ukuthi level ayifani.
Na phela ezukhuluma ngePSL ne mina ngikena udlala ku development udlala ku Pirates development isasha ngale page yakudala I think mosha number 10 or 12 if I'm not mistaken number 10 so wadlala na ku Polokwane City number 10 again. So sicela usitshele ngecareer yakho ukuthi ukuze ufike kuma professional iqala kanjani from ekukhuleni kwakho vele usitshela ukuthi okay ngidlale lana ngaya ku Pirates ngala ngafika ku Polokwane City ukuze kube nawo.
Hayi ibhola lifuna ulithanda yabo malithanda uzokuthanda yabo.
Okay.
Mele ube obsessed enhle. Ngathi uyahlanya yabo.
So like ngisho ukuthi like uqale kweyipi team from eKasi wa ku Pirates kanjalo like step by step.
Dlale ku New Jack City, siwa New Jack City. Ngakubhakania Polokwane. That's it.
So ku Polokwane bele bakupromote ku first team or
City kahle hyper. So bayibiza nge-hyper my hyper academy uyayibona hyper academy. Yeah. New Jack City there.
So Khotmani cause udlala ku 10-10 no. Eliphi player engadlali ku 10-10 ongathanda ukudlala nalo ku 10-10 from eKasi.
From kuphi eKasi kuphi.
eKasi everywhere player kodlala against elintswembo ngasho ukuthi ha le ngafisi bekhona ku 10-10.
Alikho ntanga.
U10-10 in grand in set. Anshoti ngamuntu. So far ipi tournament best tournament kwayidlala eKasi. Tournament yalana everywhere le tournament at top kwayidlala.
Mabuye
ground and Davidson bakuncanya yakena juna nami vela from eKasi eyayivutha wonke umuntu manifika 10-10 la fike 2014 into ezikanjalo so ipithi my favor ku pro side and iliphi player okhule like ulibhekile ufundela phansi kwalo uthi okay le role model yami
Skarango bese Tekomdis.
Ithi my favor yo ku pro side
Pagani.
Overseas favor ipi club
Barcelona.
Ubani best player yakho ku Barcelona currently?
Petri.
Okay, so as umuntu ofamila ngedisk ne lama player ngizowa mention I3 you start one bench and sell ne uThulani Serero Tekomodise noThemba Zwane
uthi ngenzani lapho
you start bench and sell
thengisa uthi ubani lo munye
uThulani Serero uTeko umshishi
sithengisa uTeko ngisala neyasendlini uzwana
lezi zinyathengisa ayike ehlanga sebenchini
hayi ngiyazivayisa shumshishi
so masikhuluma ngebafana national team iliphi iplayer ongafisa libe khona ku national team since bafana ya ku AFCON
Nyosi
Thembi Nkosi Lodge ne yeah nami vele everyone cabanga kanjalo niyabona most nine ma South Africans ukuthi sonke uLodge siyamdinga coach wethu akayeki pride man yabo khuluma izinto ezibhayi ukuthi sidinga lo muntu national team Shakes uringile uringile shole nomunye kuma comment uringile so Grootman lami ngicela ugayi intwana encane yasekasi edlala ibhola uyigayeni advise ukuthi ikhuli ibe grand ikhule ngendlela eright izifike ku professional phase iphupho layo lokuba yi professional soccer player
hayi ngakusho ukuthi mawulithanda lezokuthanda yabo discipline nokuzincintsha izinto eziningi ezinye izinto azibalika yabo sazozenza uhlale ezikhona
yeah bayike namantombazana
avoid izinto ezibhaya yabo
like izinto ezifana nani so
into ezibhaya yonke into alcohol drugs everything nje ngathi ayikusi ukuthi ejimini yabo amantombazane yabo
so uvaya njengudlala ku 10-10 ubani best player odlale nayo so far kuma 10-10
Mporo
I thought uzothi uKalawa but ke yini a different between uKalawa noMporo yini aba different ngayo between the two
Isifiso nobumisi uKalawa nevision
ay Grootman lami sibonga isikhathi sakho ube grand much ushekira binja
nyakanjani
amosh
Ungena kanjani stadium ngena ticket? Ungena kanjani? My brother unjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Nami ngiyaphila. Please introduce yourself kwabantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you play for?
Igama lami ngisithembiso Hlophe. Mara abantu bangazi ngomatikiti. Ngidlalela iFree State Vultures.
Okay. So ngicela usitshele ukuthi umatikiti yena legama lithi matikiti livelaphi kahle kahle?
Yo le gama leli libuya kude. Kusesemncane besadlala ibhola kuTahlihle khona team batho Tahlihle. So besitravela ngetrain yabona. So like besamba Mangobe yabona. So every now and then lokho basibamba yabona then baze bathani nanihlize ngana matikiti.
Okay. So uthando lwakho for ibhola uqale kuphi and why did you choose to play football and ijeni yakho? Tell us about ijeni yakho yebhola.
Yo ijeni yami yebhola yuwa. Ngicale sadlala esikoleni just ukuthi Grootman lami belidlala ibhola yabo. So nami ngithanda ukuhamba nalo ngi-stadium ngihlizi ngilibukela bekadlala professional. So then nami ngathanda ngagcina sengidlala ibhola but ijeni yami icale kuTahlihle nasuka ngadlalela uBhajo nasuka ngadlalela izinyoka so kuzinyoka ngaya All Stars ngaya kuPolokwane City ngaya TTM ngaya kuSikhukhune ngaya ku eBotswana ku Extension Kanas.
Lo muntu uhambile guys ngiphethe istar kahle kahle la. Okay, so tell us about like journey yakho as a professional football player. That time usese ku professional football. Tell us about the journey yakho like as a whole, like would you say that part of your life built you?
Yeah, I can say it because mawudlala professional izinto ziba simple yabona, like unesikhathi sakho umeet abantu abasha uhlangana nama challenges amasha yabona. So nje ngasho ukuthi ibhola mina limkhulisile. So manje nje yabona ukusuka la kuya kwenye country hlangana abantu ongabazi is not easy, not everyone can do it but khamba nje ukadjust ayikho into ongayenza.
Okay, so iziphi izinto mhlambe ezi2 or ezi3 ongazisho ukuthi if umuntu ofuna ukudlala ibhola if angaba nalezi zinto ezi3 1 2 3 angaphumelela ijeni yakhe ingaba like completely smooth.
Yabona when it comes to football angeke ukuthi kune manual fana ne life yabona yonke into uyenza ngesikhathi sayo shithi lento le is like yonke into iyazenzakalela but obvious dedication discipline nokuthi nje be at the right place at the right time. Okay. Because you never know ukuthi namanje ungathi uyadlala at the ground kanti khona umuntu okhona uzokubukela so yonke into yenzayo nje mina uzimisele.
Okay, be at the right place at the right time. Okay, so tell us about your favorite team yakho ku PSL nama player i3 owathandayo.
Favorite team yami mina ngifavorite Chiefs ngikhule endlini ngifavorite Chiefs so ama player ngothandayo I could say uRile.
Okay.
Manje umtutuzi obvious Thembazwana.
Start 1, bench 1, sell 1.
Go away 3.
Yeah.
Obvious Mshishi will play.
uyenzani uyamsela or uyamstarter or
She
uyambench
will play.
oh uyaplay
Yeah.
really
Now really ngiyambench.
bese usela Jo
If I-
umthengi okay ungambhayisa ngemalini
Yo. Ngiyamphayisa offer right.
ngi-offer right
Yeah.
hayi cabanga ukuthi uFavy Chiefs mara
But I'm
ngakubhayisa
being honest with manje currently. Ngifavor Chiefs angali but ngikhuluma ngento eyenzakala manje currently.
Okay. So wena what are your where to from here kahle kahle what are your goals?
You don't know ukuthi life yenzani yabona. Yeah, so I wouldn't say khona into ezoyenzeka khona into engekenzeke.
manifesta mos.
But you'll never know.
Okay.
With life kusasa ngovuka bathi ngisayine kuphi so angikwazi.
Exactly yabo.
Yeah, but I'll keep grinding ngiyalibhola ngichubeke.
A few words for ama fans wakho and nabantu nje ma coaches and other teams football players.
I mean, to football players, I can say impilo ebhola ne is not guaranteed, but once uba khona phambili everything yenzakala. To ama fans, good, I must keep going. You'll never know ukuthi yenzakalani. So yeah, my fans ngasho ukuthi abaqhubeke basupport because without them we are nothing. Yeah, we are nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much for your time, my brother. We wish you nothing but the best. Mara leyo ukuthi wena ufavor ilontuzana leya team leya olamthuthu. Bese uthi ufuna ukusela iplayer leya. Ay, mara kunandaba, it's fine.
No, like I'm being honest with what's happening now. If I were to choose, ngizodlala isorili obumuntu or ngidlala isomshishi obumuntu. Irigade ukuthi ngiyamfavor. But to form.
Ah no, it's fine. We wish you nothing but the best. The future yako. Thank you so much again for your time.
Nyawo.
Sharp.
Danko kavya.
Mike Jack
bathini bona
bathi yadla intshebe guys umuntu lona bathi izoluphe abantu abayi 2000 amazimba bonke yangithola so ngimbiza ngoyadla intshebe nje ubhalile ukuthi yadla intshebe yabo so ngeyapha ukuthi yadla intshebe ngasigama lakhe yabo so Grootman yadla intshebe ngicela uzintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela usho ukuthi wena ubani okabani yeah usho nokuthi uPlomava.
okay sanibonani igama lami ngolrato Muntsitsi also known as DJ Lira LWRA ngisupport elikhulu leVia Force ma tournament ngiyeza ngizosupporta cause I tournament if the first game ingo9 o'clock abantwana basuka endlini ngo8 o'clock now I purchase ama snacks for ukuthi ngibaphe abantwana egaming if last game ingo3 o'clock or 4 o'clock bayamba ngabo ma 5 6 that's why ngithenga ama snacks make sure ukuthi bonke abantwana ba right. As far as football is concerned, thanks to Aimakamu Funerals ukuthi bayenza tournament nje icoca abantu badlala endaweni e1 networking nokuthi isichithe izungu because last time Mr. Big we was at the very same tournament and thank you very much for the masses beze bazo attend. Next week is the final. uJesu kulethana abantwana kimi umhlaba wezulu wabo. Next week Saturday I'm also going to do what I did, ama snacks ngiphe wonke umuntu including the adult. Thank you very much.
Hayi Grootman mina mangicela ukubona I thought ukuthi uFavor Orlando Pirates according to I painting yakhe so ngeke ngisakubuza ama question amaningi because into eziningi soziphendulela yabo so uFavor Pirates ku professional football ngale painting yakhe cause isho kubhala
yeah no ngifene Orlando Pirates DJ Lira GP ngilive for Soras bengise Duduza but I've moved back to Phosphorus ngifene Pirates I can't say enkulu but ngifene Pirates.
So njengu DJ udila ngane ezi DJ bayakubhadala ukuze uthola imali ubhayela ama snacks because baningi labantu laba Grootman ukuthi ungabhayela wonke umuntu ama snacks la or uthanda abantwana ukuthi babone into enhle yenzakalayo ekasi plus uyazi iball integral for ukuthi wonke umuntu ayibukele uyacafa so ama snacks wabhayela abantwana for ukuthi badle basuthe or bakwazi ukuhlala egroundini babukela idisk
Okay, firstly ngine business DJ Liraska Care Center and Cleaning Services. Ngenza pets control, ngeza bumatras, amasofa, amasithu emoto namacarpet. The man that I get there ngithatha from yona ukuthi ngishare nabantu, because the whole thing it's not all about ukuthi abantwana bahlale groundini or in, but it's all about sharing.
Yeah, bathu umuntu ke muthu ka bathu wenza into grand Grootman lami. So since you favor iBucks, so far Orlando Pirates, name 3 favorite players yakho kuPakania.
Okay, now that's very dangerous. Let's say in favor of a player wonke, because if I do name calling, others mangnabo bazobona right ukuthi in favor bani. All the players of Orlando Pirates, the current team, even nalaba basuku rehab laba balimele lonke player out here.
So unokuhlala nabo abajita vele spend isikhathi nama player ku pro side weParks.
Can I please not disclose that, because it's going to be a problem.
So okay, ngizokubuza kanje. So currently iliphi iplayer lingadlaleli Pirates ongathanda ukuthi iPirates ilsign?
That one it's beyond my powers, because even though noma ngayisho lento le I can't, because according to my code of conduct Orlando Pirates there are things that kumele sikhulume ngazo singakhulumi ngazo. Now singakhuluma nga anything but not anything that associated with Orlando Pirates, because it's against ama-policies we-club sharp.
Okay, but as masikhuluma about i-country, I think une right yokukhuluma. If sokhuluma ngebafana ngithi une right yokukhuluma usho anything, because i-country yakho nawe and uwishela anything uthi like ibe ku best level yabo nakuma rankings we FIFA babe ku best. I think uyifisela intent. So currently bafana ne uyazi bayodlala i-AFCON December. So kule 23 men squad abazoyi select. Iliphi player lingekho bafana ongathanda libe khona?
You taking me back to I can't do a name calling, because Hugo Bros who your dictator which player they're going to select. In terms of Bafana, the current squad they are having consistency of style of play abasebenzela, but there are some additional players I would love and wish would babe khona.
Example
Lala Umfundo Vilakazi Peterson. Now the problem with Peterson, Williams upenjisa uSipho Chain lowe Pirates and Peterson makazoza uzobenchwa naye, but let's not talk about anything that has to do ngaphandle kwala sikhona groundini. But now my biggest wish is ama 10-10 with my ngathatha le tournament sharp.
Okay, because mas khuluma more about professional football now uthanda kuba professional yabo, so sizoya ku kasi football. So comparing kasi football ne professional football isihluke ngani, and yini into ongathanda ukuyichange ukuthi ibe khona ku professional, yini into ongayithanda ukuyichange ibe khona ku kasi football?
Still that's beyond my powers, because ayikho into ongafuni ukushintsha whatsoever. The system bayisebenzisa ide we system bayenzile and akekho umuntu ozoyishintsha.
So now on my opinions,
never.
Maybe for some part ubukele abe like maybe awuthi cabanga njengami, like ngiyenzela umuntu obukele utasho uthi awuthi cabanga njengami.
No, the thing is, when it comes to South African football, it's politically mandated. Bona baphezulu ibo ba decide ukuthi ini wenzeni bani wenzeni. There are things lesingazikhuluma sabantu, because should I say something, it's going to be problematic for me, because at the end of the day I'm supposed to account for each and everything in short. Other things, hence I'm scared to say anything, because I don't know what you figure to which level sharp.
Okay, before Uva Grootman, any advice or word of the day?
My advice is life is not hard, but life is what you make it to be. Make sure ukuthi whatsoever uyenza ngothando okuzwela ubuhlungu. And lastly, GPV bafethu lento ukuthi sishane nabo mama asiyenzeni men's conference. We really need men's conference dlaleni samajita sithipisane ukuthi if umama ukenzela iflop whatsoever sithipisaneni. And nalento yokushaba umama bafethu, yes isema tournament kanje asicedeni lento lesi isiprotecting nabo mama nabantwana. Thank you very much.
Yabo Grootman, before uhamba ngicela ungishayele celebration alomjito sihlukumeza kakhulu kuPakania Mukoko. Jamfuna ukubona ibuke kanjani ngale mask yakho. Yabo Grootman shap. Awumeje.
Check. I'm always surrounded by greatness. We have one of the greatest team, Katoras United. So, yeah, Ladies United, right? Sharp. So, my sister, they'll introduce themselves. Bashu Tabobani, Bagupi, and already teams in jail. Badalala ibitimus.
Oh, mina ngudineo Mfokeng ngihlala la ePalmridge phase 2.
Okay.
Mina uNoluthando Mhlambi ngiphuma eSpruit.
Okay.
Mina nguhloni Ramashala ngibuya eFosloras.
Okay, so yazi mina like every time mengibona amantombazana adlala ibhola like ngiba nami bengidlala ibhola nedwa ukuthi nyawo lami lela ngazi bathi kuyenzakaleni ngale yabo. So please tell us ukuthi why football? Why did you guys choose to play football?
Why ibhola?
Yeah, why ibhola?
Okay, mina into enza ukuthi ngidlala ibhola ukuthi most of the time ngikhule nabafana so bengekho enye into esidlalayo. Most of the time bidlala lona ibhola so ngicine nami sengizithola sengilithanda yabo. Bengingalilandeleli kangako but then ngicine sengilandelela.
Okay.
With me ngikhule vele as much as she's saying vele ukuthi environment yak influencer. So nami basically it's more or less something like that. Mara futhi yona yaspanela because izinto eziningi sikwazile ukuziavoid yabo. So yeah.
Like teenage pregnancy so yabo.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhule like around abobhuti bami kakhulu so sikhule sonke sidlala sonke and then ngikhule vele sekuyindawo yami engifila at peace like sekuyi safe place yami yabo sekuyindawo engibalekela kuyo indawo engenza ngikhohle ngenkinga zami yabo. Yeah.
So niyabona like khona the stigma, okay, let me not say stigma, but like there's a thing ukuthi women's football is not important, only male football balekile leyabafazi it's not important. So like what is it guys enicabanga ukuthi singayenza for female football to get like more recognition?
I think iqala ngento sponsorship because manje we feel neglected like for girls. Like yabona as much as manje you see how packed it is but then makungathiwa na tournament amantombazana you only see us ama team kuba 12 yale team nale 12 layana so sponsorships neglected, attendance neglected, so it's lacking eziningi kakhulu. So I feel like as soon as kuzoba nama sponsors that's where recognition izoba khona kakhulu.
Ngima naye nokuthi ama sponsor nakhona letha expose expose ibhola labantombazana ukuze izokhona ukuba khona vele ukuthi yabo kungasabi into yokuthi ibhola labantombazana but then exposition
it's like
i-sponsorship kakhulu mina ngicile lapho yabo because maningi ama team wabafana kunawo amantombazana but then gara abafana lawa abafana kunathi yabo so ne support isuka from abazali yabo thola endlini ubaba ngakhona ukuthi emsebenzini azizamele umuntu othize ukuthi asponsor team but then ngoba support siyayilekha kakhulu singamantombazana so izinto ezinjalo.
Okay, so when it comes to team yenu as a whole I can see ukuthi man ni united, so how do you guys keep that spirit of being united even if nebona ukuthi okay there are some challenges that you're facing, so how do you guys keep yourself motivated?
Into esiyenzayo because each and everyone phuma kuya different background so whenever uzofika kithi sithatha lawo ma differences siwabeke side and then sibe into eyi-one. I think into esisebenzela like most of the time ukuthi whenever la usuka khona mawufika kithi uzothola leyo nto leyo thando and peace and unite vele.
And we stand by our name United and obviously we have teammates who support you greatly. Our teammates, and if you're down of course there's going to be someone also yabo uplifter and so upliftana sikhuthazane yabo into enjalo.
Okay.
And the unity iqala kukuthandana siyathandana siphana uthando njenga sister and siyalingana sibonana ukuthi omunye uphezulu omunye uphansi masila sonke siyalingana.
Okay. So what are some of the few words you'd give to our supporters enu and message nje for people?
Message I think first things first is sponsorship. Whoever also bona le video lena like we are pleading with you guys with just follow us as Kona go Facebook page Katoras United Ladies. Whatever you have, it can be as little as a penny but then it makes a lot of difference and futhi whoever ozobona na video lo onentshisakala ukuthi uzodlala you are more than welcome to come and join us. So you can come join us and futhi thina kena si all over nje bakutshelile sethi yethi ngise-spray to se-Foslo kukhona osu like we are all over, so
basically Katoras united, like the entire Katoras. Oh manjama eish akuna mangata ne mara iphupho alifi umnikazi asaphila. Yeah, ke mantswaka.
Yeah, for ama supporters wethu this season izinto bezibhedanyana mara definitely next season umhlaba uyobuyela kubanikazi.
Okay. Nizwile guys, please do reach out. Ni support namantombazana kanti why nina nithanda abafana? Why nenza kanje? Please do guys support why bathanda abafana. Namantombazana now they deserve love guys. Okay, no, thank you so much for your time. We wish you nothing but the best. Sengathi ningaphumelela nindlondlobale. Ngifuna ukunibona da ku PSL.
Hollywood,
yes.
Yeah, definitely. In all due time.
Thank you.
Hello Grootmane, Moja Grootmane. Yeah, so before I start, somebody would say akazi ngizwa ngikhuluma isilungu, yabo. But zonitshela the reason ngikhuluma isilungu mina personally accommodate wonke umuntu angithola because most abantu abaningi abafana nani so abasibukela abas understand isingama. So but ke lana ngiphethe iGrootmane uzothwani most abantu bamkena ngosiya udlala ibhola. So Grootmane, can you please introduce yourself ngegama lakho lamampela ukuthi ubani wakabani uBlomava and usho udlalela yiphi team?
Sanibonani. Igama lami ngumdumiseni siyamdumisa ngobese. Ebholweni mangibiza ngozothwane. Ngihlala eFostoras eDindela 1475.
Okay, so Grootmane, as someone odlala ibhola and as umuntu one experience yebhola, sicela usitshele ukuthi okay, uzothwane uqale nini ukudlala ibhola, mukwenze njani kuze afike la khona and iyiphi club ohambe wayidlalela till now?
Uzothwane Tinkayela usiya.
Sure.
Uqala dlala ibhola under 12 ku Blue Pits.
Sure.
eDindela.
Right.
Ngasuka ku Blue Pits kwavula ama 10-10. Ngadlala ama 10-10. From ama 10-10 ngaya eMpumalanga kuBatawu FC.
Sure.
Ngadlalela iBatawu ngidlala nabo Tash.
Usulu lona Mabaso.
Yeah, uTash Dwan Mabaso ngidlale naye. Thema seyifika egcineni mase hamba sadlala iNedbank Cup neSuperSport sadlala from lapho kwakumele ngithola icontract neAjax ngalimala idolo lapho engigcine khona ukudlala ibhola but manje ngiyadlala ngesikhathi sami ngisitholayo ngidlala ama 10-10. Yeah, igama uzothanga ngithole kuma 10-10 kahle.
So cause mina Grootmane since ngikwazi la 10-10 and most of my players ekasi ne to be honest ahamba badlalela wonke la team but masikhuluma ngeloyalty mangibona wena ngibona uPaulo Maldini player dlala AC Milan kuphela career yonke wena since kuma 10-10 angazi nini angazi ngakubona udlala lenye team yabo. So mawuzongitshela into yakho yama 10-10 uqala udlala ku 10-10 since udlala ku 10-10 kuphela uphusha nge 10-10 udlala 10-10 nini? Yeah Grootmane sithobela sigcine khona so usiya nje ngadlala 10-10 uqala udlala 10-10 nini masikhuluma ngesina ye 10-10 udlala isina ye 10-10 from when?
Ngidlala kuma 10-10 yo after I Blue Pits ngidlala kuma 10-10 since 2014 ngidlala kuma 10-10
ngazodlala lenye team eka
ngaze mina mina kulomuntu lo ngikhule nabantu abadala ne yawazi ama team la lokushina dlanga into eziningi mfethu yabona so angikhondlela mina ama team amaningi ngitshintsha ama jersey leli naleli so mina ama collab ngathoyila bhaya njani ngathoyila bhaya ama collab but ngigrade ngawo mina ngidlala 10-10 kuphela.
Hayi 10-10 kumele kugayi ibhanga because last time ngikubukela wa defend ibhola ngobuso lashaya la emabuya ground and azange ube like ne pain yabo like ibhola lashayile wachubeka igame yachubeka. So Grootmane njengoyi defender eli strong so iliphi I defend replay okhule ubukela phansi kwalo?
Ama 10-10 ngibamba ibhanda ama 10-10 ne ngilibamba isikhathi eside nabantu abaningi bambiza nge-captain.
Sure.
I-defender engikhule ngilibukela mina bafethu uPepe Real Madrid. Yeah, umuntu engibukela kuye mina ibhola. Yeah, till today umuntu engize ngimshiye phansi uPepe mina ngidlala ibhola elimnandi. Namhlanje ngisambukela because uyadlala uPepe namanje.
So nje udlala kuma 10-10. Kuma 10-10 name 3 players odlale nawo like name best.
Yo. Phela ama expendables la umfethu.
Yeah.
Best Svonki.
Sure.
Chicho.
Sure.
Kabila.
Yeah.
Ningo.
Yeah.
Kalawa. So ngeke ngikhuluma mention i3 mfethu soba i problem nje yami.
Okay, ku professional football PSL name any 3 defenders best currently.
Yeah. Okay. Eish. Yo, my center back or defense strong.
Okay, center back. And in fact, I'm a defender wonke any position emove.
Okay. Ya umbokazi ukhula kahle.
Sure.
Ukhula kahle umbokazi ukhula kahle ya nyamvuma ukhula kahle.
Yeah.
uOprindiba
sure
obvious umdawu mfethu
so kumbokazi oPrimotiba no Mudawu start one bench and set
okay hayi angibathengisa bayithu umbokazi nyamthengisa umdiba yamthengisa ngamba nomdawu nje yami
awu bench so mabathengisa ichu bathengisa ngamalini
ay 5 cent boyithu nje yami
so masikhuluma ngo prime siya no mbokazi maybe ubani of best ngale position le CP
I'm the best
why best
mina ngikwazi ukudlala ibhola nje from emuva ngiyakwazi uqala attack mina yeah umbazi uyayiqala attack naye but mina ngeke ngipheze umunye umuntu nami njami
azi last week ne bengino shakes umkhabela
okay.
Today bengino shake it up
okay
umsibi yeah. So you know le ndaba yabo yamadolo ubani otrebulayo between the two moba compare because ne debate between the two especially ma comments wethu so between the two ubani ontswembu ngekasi flavor
sibusiso msibi shake it up
yinja vele oh cause na usho kanjalo wathi hayi ibhola yalpa so ukhuluma ku pro side favor iphi club
angifavor njami
kanjani manje
angifavor njami
favor my player
njami
overseas for sure you favor
Real Madrid
wazizinja wazizinja best player ku Real Madrid currently Neymar 3
ay 3 baya fana
bani one but
3 baya Mbappe ya phela ya phela
situation ka Rodrigo ekparty
go for mina nje yami eish individual too much
so let's go back to ikasi football you know December kuza ama tournament amakhulu ngobuningi bawo indawo ehlukahlukene yangithola so kuma 10-10 eliphi iplayer ongathanda lizodlalela ama 10-10 any team osadlala against the Casi
lo mfana odlala lama Sithembiso
ubani
nomfana number 10 yamkhohle igama lakhe
sure
konje ubani nyamkhohle igama lakhe mfana nama uyadlala faka number 10
so iplayer kawadlala i-hardest opponent kawadlala nalo so far kuKasi football
uJomo wase Davidson enyamkhohle igama lakhe lamampela I think uyamazi wesicathuli ya uJomo ya uJomo
makufukuzisa ngepace
yeah angina pace nje yami mina ngiyazi angina pace yeah
okay so far since udlala ama tournament waseKasi which tournament yaseKasi ekwayidlala best
imbewenhle
mabuya same team shikira pusho kanjalo yini mnandi ngembewenhle ihluke ngani imbewenhle kunawo wonke lama tournament
i-organize the tournament in a vibe sharp nje yami yeah and yonke into oyidingayo la tournament la uyayithola ngesikhathi abaground izinto eziningi yeah
so intwana encane edlala ibhola ngayiguy advise uthini kuyo uze ikhule ngediscipline ifike ku pro side and before siya lapho ne ngicela ungitshele wena siya personally uziprepare kanjani for ama big games especially uma kugcwele kanje i-crowd egroundini and we handle kanjani i-pressure
number 1 nje yami kumele uzikhuze wena mawuze une big game ipressure nje yami abantu abalana hayi ayibangenzele fokol wena yenza into yakho utshela ama instruction watshela icoach phela focus lapho phela then after lapho uzoyimaster game yakho
lento zokuthi eKasi kusetshenziswa umuthi uyabelievela kuzo
basebenza nje yami
nina kazi
ngiyabelieve lokho leyo way le
ngiyashaya na u1010
yeah
ngiyashaya na u1010
yeah
yeah but as 10-10 I think at Davidson for 2014 if I'm not mistaken not the finally I don't know and njalo nje final ngaze nayithatha umuthweni nisebenzisa umutho wrong mina ngani organize lo sharp kule outlet shooter ukama
that day the final yima ngisi penalty game yeah intana screen lasikhona screen
so you know ama defender ama jersey number ama defender ngifuna ukuza kule number ama defender most defender bo number 2 number 3 number 4 number 5 you know lo ma number lawo number 13 number 12 why when you defender a number strike ku number 9
bengithanda uNelithovi nje yami
yeah
Nelithovi adla ngo number 9
sure yeah so akazi wadlala enye position ngaphandle kwe center back
ngiyashaya anchor
good So kuma 10-10 who's the oldest player?
Kalawa.
Yeah, ngibuza nge-age.
Yeah.
But I thought uwe.
No, Kalawa.
Kalawa.
Yeah.
From same hood, Mkhula nonke.
Yeah, uKalawa umdala kithi sonke.
So ukazi wadlala against uKalawa.
No.
Uyamsaba nangatrebula, amara trebula ngishaya amapass.
Awungikhulisile uKalawa njalo.
Yeah.
Umuntu ongikhulisile mina uKalawa. Yeah.
Age gap maybe
12-15 years.
mdala musukalawa. So yeah, Grootman, advice for intwana encane game disc yasekhaya efuna ukukhula ifike ku pro side.
iFootball awuyicheat nje yami. Kumele ujim. Phelele. Discipline ube sharp.
Siyabonga isikhathi. Hopefully this year nizoyiwin i-tournament because last time South Africa win i-tournament ka Junior Khanya if I'm not mistaken, but let's hope this year December nizoyiwina because mina vele ngifavor nina. All the best ama 10-10 inside ama player man.
Hayi njami ngiyabonga ne. Thina sasani mfethu sesibadala mfethu hayi. Asasani sikhulisile abafana bethu be-Super 10 so bayasincedisa manje bayasincedisa.
Sure man. Bongisikhathi sakho man.
Ngiyabonga mfethu noma ungikhawathile nje. Sheshonta.
Siphethe ucoach we-Cataras United, Ladies United. Coach, cela uzi-introduce kubantu abangakwazi ukuthi ubani wakwabani.
Okay, mina igama lami ngihumutso Mkhane aka Bhujwa. Yeah, I'm a coach of Cataras. I used to be a player, now I'm a coach. So yeah, that's me. Anyway, the tournament yavulwa yimi anyway. I was the first player who won the tournament. So yeah, 2019. So that's the basic nje kan. Yeah.
Okay. So coach, I'm very like curious. Okay, most of male coaches, they choose to coach abantu besilisa, but when you chose to do women's football, why?
Because of I'm all about the development, and so for me, if I was not to coach amantombazana, I will coach young boys. So I like a challenge. They give me a good challenge that to show what I can do it. Because if you develop somebody then some few months, you know, then you can see that you are doing a good job. And besides, you know, everybody because of they think sometimes some parents are comfortable about that because of they know which maybe coach sometimes me as being a father I know with them bazoba safe game, understand? That's why I decided no, let me just go even if no man doing coaching courses, just they ask such question in class and I prefer if it's not I'm under 10-15 I will go for Mantomazan. Just there I see it's like you are getting a raw talent, but when we nature and we polish. So for me it's basically that challenge.
Speaking of the some challenges or faces and like abantu they're gonna have talks to coach what not. Okay, let's say like such rumors they come. How do you deal with them?
How do I deal with them? Obviously, a rumor must be proven, which is not a rumor. At the end of the day, but I'm not sure if I'm going to answer this correctly, but if I can get such a land, obviously you have to put me down and have those allegations bang zona. Then they will start asking questions, and but at the end of the day, to come and answer what actually it did or it didn't. But with my record, I trust myself with them because of I grew up with ladies in my family, only ladies in my generation of number 5.
Okay. You know, okay. It's about two guys. About two. Please introduce yourself to Abantu Betu.
No, but see too, we've always been the both of us. Even if I can be the chairman, but he's the one who's always in terms of the team. Kulisa Bantwana. He's the one umuntu that we know, which is the face. But then you know, as a chairman, I have to be supportive most of the time. So Namanje from the game, supportive in the team. Every time if there's a problem, I'm always there. Every win I'm with them, even if I may not there be all the time, but yeah, as a chairman you need to play your role.
Okay, so what can we do, or like what is it that we can implement for women and change and female football be like more recognized as much as male football?
Oh, you know what, this question is too deep, and in the sense of too deep, this is an academy because we've got Abantwana from 15 years old, in fact not even 15, 12 up until so I don't want to sound as if like I'm political and whatnot. If only we could offer the same support as teams like Abu JVW, our institutions, to our teams, our selection, because where do they go to? They go to those teams. But what do those teams do? And again, this thing women's football is semi-professional. It needs to change. Female football even equal like men's football in the sense of if a player moves from one division or one league to a higher league, let us get also a development fee. Let us also get in the development fee, because before those teams Hollywood, where do they start? Who develops them? Where do they start from? So it's something that first needs to change in terms of our struggle of women's football. And again, people saying, comrade, you are doing, or leader, you are doing a good job in terms of but again, how to see, let them also contribute. Like the Cox, Masoka put, it goes a long way. In terms of a machine card, some of them are not on a shin card. But then you find businessmen telling you that you are doing a good job, but then again, what happens to this? And again, parents, what's happening? Why don't they come to the games? But then the moment the parents are the one who's proud to they don't know. So it's quite sad. It's a big issue. If only there could be assistance, but who say moral support, because you know what, if you're an athlete before, if no bapala netball and no bona mewa how you'd get motivated. But then now, yes, we know but just come once, just come twice to support Tabana. That's important thing. Support, moral support, not only for Bakatoras United, but every girl in general. They need to come and support their parents.
No, thank you, Coach.
Yeah, I think Lento Fisher is sure. It's basically that we need them to come to go to our games to give this. Sometimes we have 4 parents in the game. Then you will see how the children perform. Understand? Because of they wanna impress, they wanna show which we do this because of it's a challenge. And some of other parents they don't understand it. Lento understand? So they want them with babu. I know. So they have to put in my ground to see which sometimes it's you as a parent that's you knowing which especially so if they can get the support from Abo Mama, Abo Baba, they must be there because of Bonaba West. They know what is needed. Understand? Because of now that you fish touch with support sponsors and that you're not getting them, at least support Abazali if you can get them. The kids Baba motivated something, then you can see. But if you don't have anything, like you feel like let me just understand. We encourage them to go to school. First go to school, but after all, but the stress. Understand? With the stress I was like around in 1 hour 30 minutes done. You are fresh, your phone, and then everything you understand? So we ask them, we plead with them, please come to our ground every time. No without and consult like a school, teacher, is it doing good? But you must consult coach. But we are like we must focus more on or we must get another direction. Just let them have that communication or a relationship with coaches. I think that will help more and more, and that's when you're gonna see more ladies coming and joining Ipol if they see that. Yeah, that's.
No, we wish you nothing but the best. Things could change and people not only male football is important but also female football is important. We wish you nothing but the best. And thank you so much for your time. Before a little motivation for the young girls who want to play football as well.
Motivation for the young girls. First, you can be talented, but if you don't have discipline, You know, Kabantswembu, everyone now praise and whatnot, but if you don't have discipline, well, you're not gonna go anywhere if you don't have discipline. Number 2, education is important. And again, you know, there are hard workers and there are those who are really talented. And most of Banyana Barona are hard workers. We need more hard workers so that they can do what? Breakthrough. And I'm still going to say, Batswadi baskabana le bias tikapaba bakhetule skin color as much as other teams of the other skin can, but even le rona but we do have the potential so re ka producer the next talent, the next products banyana bosan. And as a soccer player, keep on pushing Luana every day, practice, give it 100%. And in Twenka Ichonkore, these players, they don't know whether male or female. Every time na di tournaments so kapapadi so, you don't know ke ma motho shebileng who's watching, and motho shebileng ha o tsebe re tlo bulela monyetla kapa bulele opportunity jwang. But still say, girls, keep on pushing, girls, work hard. And again, parents need to understand Rebatosa strating, the social ills, the teenage pregnancy, drugs and everything. Rabatosa from all those thoughts, Habata Papadinya Polo, Rabaruta discipline as a soccer coach, as soccer coaches throughout the rest of Africa. But then, I guess, thank you very much, sisters.
Thank you, coach.
Yeah, I mean, I can say to them, Guti, you know, firstly, it's playing a sport, any sport, can open doors.
Yes.
Whether corporates, whether maybe sometimes you are soccer players, but they can be analysts, they can be commentators, they can be referees. Understand? So I'm trying to say, Guti must focus and push. Mustn't take this thing for granted. So I know, but everything has to start somewhere, and you must know when you start it, you must finish it. So what does it take? Which was to figure out hard work, obvious passion you must have that. Then it follows hard work, you understand? Then you be disciplined, keep your head down, whatever what you're doing. You mustn't be big-headed, because that's what's killing us, all of us. Once you start doing something great, then people praise you, then so kaluba big-headed, then you start, just keep your head down. If they praise you, it's fine, take their praise, then go and work more harder, because now people are watching you. So you just need to push, focus, then people also they can go. Now it's easy for them to go varsity if they're playing soccer, understand? If you get varsity free sometimes, then you play soccer, you can do it both, you can see. So they must focus, they mustn't for any reason. Let them not let them if you are a soccer player, you must go with soccer players, because whatever conversation you understand? So I encourage them, you must check his surrounding up. That is very important, must check his surrounding up. That's what I can say for them. Thank you.
Okay, no, thank you so much for your time, guys. I wish you nothing but the best. Sangati, once again, ngaba recognized, and want to see you guys go Hollywood. And I know one thing for sure. Son born, when I see one, I know one. Thank you.
So bafethu yazilana sinenkinga ne, as we all know ukuthi ekasi kwenzakalane ama tournament, abanye bashaya bo referee, abanye ba complain, abanye bakhala ngezinto ukuthi azikho organized and all that, yabo kuningi hlanga. So uKrotman la uzositshela isikhala zosay. Krotman lami esince uzizele was approacher uzositshela ukuthi ukhala ngani. Sicela usitshela ukuthi yini inkinga ukhala ngayo so far.
Okay, sharp. Fede bafethu, Coach Sherry, Sonabo Rising Stars, some known as the Sonabo Park. So according to what happened today against the game Zone 3 and East Tembi, so same incident happened the first game. Sonabo Park was playing against Amazayuni. Waba na same incident offside and staff ama supporter angene ground ini alisu lineman. So discuss football is into zenzekayo kasi kuba nalawo ma fight ne, but because of the tournament my draft iba grand kuba nama rules ne. I believe ipaneli yepralzi inama rules, they will deal with the matter accordingly. As nathi imatter yadila nathi, we did play sa proceed ne game sa ema penalty ni, we won ema penalty, and then after waba ne letter ezayo to a team eloncha complain ngoba ama supporter thintu lineman fere mabathintu lineman sharp kwaba nendaba ukuthi ama rules athini. So as a team safainwa a certain amount according according to rules sayibhadala saqhubeka ne-tournament. So mina what I will ask for ikasi football nama-panel as a committee ama-tournament mabastike to the rules ingafavor ungakuthi team yakuphi noma coach ubani noma chairman ubani. Let's stick to ama-rules we-tournament. Nale game le according to the rules masifunda any official supporter or team player into a official tournament lineman or referee is totally disqualified, but it didn't happen. It's one of the rules, maybe singekho aware, but I believe Aprils will deal with that according to the rules. So nathi saqhubeka, I won't say they are wrong. Saqhubeka sadlala ama penalty after game wathumela letter and then safine according. Maybe nala maybe they will do the very same thing, but ama rules esawabona ukuthi othinta lineman or referee it's a totally disqualified, but maybe they will deal with it according to the rules. So singafaki pressure to i-committee noma i-panel asibanike isikhathi bayenze sponsor, but let's hope they will do the right thing ingafavor umuntu ilethi fairness nokuthi tournament ikhulu. That's all I can say.
Yeah, but it sounds unfair if like amanye team azothinta linesman or referee ba disqualify whatsoever bese amanye makayenza lento le akwenzeki the same thing ayenzekile kwenye team yabo. So it sounds unfair kanjalo, but nani guys manzile nizobukela ibhola nganye heart, you know ibhola le yabo, anything can happen. Ureferee awayenza ama mistake ingabashaya bo referee man. So yeah wena yini into ongafisa ukuthi like I change manje nge football.
Okay, mina what I will say kasi football ikhule ne, I will say behavior discipline from teams and fans and then the committee eyenza i-tournament stick to the rules. Mawukhiphe i-rule ukuthi masimthashile ureferee is totally disqualified, singasami emakhoneni kube ngathi yanegotiate iyancengwa. Let's stick to the rules. If it say if umthashile is totally disqualified mayibe kanjalo yabona. Yeah, cause komunye if let's say yayenzeka to i-team yami maybe Rising Stars and then bas disqualify same time, but komunye umuntu uqala kuyabamba ikhoneni meeting yakhulunywa bese yabuyela igame angeke sound fair yayithola. So let's stick to the rules ukuthi if umthashile totally disqualified into engayisho
akuyokuthi ubani wena or yini igama le team ya,
because na myself abazange bas disqualify same time yabona, because kwaba into ukuthi iqhubekile igame as today yabona. Shukuthi ama rules wabo ayathini mayiqhubeka igame we will deal with it accordingly yabona. Angazi maybe ama rules we tournament, but I will say mayenzeke same time ukuthi vele it's an offense serious ingaye emakhoneni ikhulunywe mayidilwe ngayo same time. If sa disqualifier as disqualify into engayisho ukuze ikasi isikhulu yabona, because womunye inga emakhoneni ibuyele komunye ingayi angeke ibe fair, but let's stick to the rules. But I believe amachita sekasi ayenza tournament to favor kasi football ukuthi cool. I believe there are no favors and stuff, they will deal with it accordingly yabona into engayisho, but going forward let's stick to the rules same time.
Asiyasoyenza njani ama host ama tournaments zo approach sibatshele ikhalazo zama fans and show labanye ababo basolo bazobona ama video kanje bese babona ukuthi badila kanjani ngemethe kanje. Hopefully isikhalo sakho sobonakala because most yabantu bakhala ngama issue kanje kasi, but by the way ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho my brother.
No, not a problem. Let's keep on supporting ikasi football. Ningakhohlwa team enkulu sona abo Rising Stars si support it.
Of course, what's football without ama fans ethu? But ngicela ukuthi uzintroduce utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and then ke ungena odabeni because kuthiwa wena khona into ofuna ukuyikhuluma wena on TV. Okay, introduce ke.
Yeah, igama lami nguLindo Kuhle Hlongwane yabo. Maka ku social media Mlindo RS Mhlongo yabo.
Sondela.
Shithi aish, mina yabona into engifuna ukuyikhuluma ne ukumotivate nje le youth yanamhlanje. Ayithola ukuthi manje without isikole there is no life. Ayithola education is a key of success. Ayithola you must learn so that uzoba ne better future oyifunayo uzokuze uphumelisa ama future wakho yabona. And manje my sister nami khona into engikhala ngayo ukugcina.
Okay.
Ayiwe my sister. Simple.
Kanjani manje?
Shithi my sister angazi yabona since ungimotivateile kanje. Aish shithi kahle kahle ukubona kwakho ukungimotivate yabo mangokubona nje hayi angisazi ukuthi ngathini mara umshini wabelungu popcorn ama popcorn yayisona thi ayisana shada deep inside amara sofa my sister yabona we fene Pirates Ukraine mina ngifrostana umfuking yabona la ku Pirates yeah and kushithi na unya kufrostana yathola my sister
no ngiyabonga thank you so much ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiyakumotivate ngiyabonga ungawari yini oyithandayo uthandani ngami njengoba uthi wena uyangincanya uncanyani ngami
thandani ngawe thanda personality yakho facial expression buhle bakho smile sakho ayithola voice yakho aish ngishanga la
no ngiyabonga thank you
khulile
wena mawubhekile i tournament yanamhlanje hamba kanjani
hayi tournament afana kayamba kahle futhi nalezi zama zone 3 since vele yazi pick up azangikhuthaza because nami from ngara zonke yabo yeah
so wena imapha ama player wathandayo la
light ground I mean so far my sister mina ngifrostanizayo and mina ngifrostano number 10 PlayStation demshini le one yeah I le out there PlayStation there shithi mangibambe ubhale ngamda ku Xbox ngathi PlayStation straight ale anto yale out intswembu le ya ayende ngiyambonga
wena bawudlala ibhola
mina bekudlala ibhola mara ngari yabo besachimela ngari eGomora naye no PlayStation yabo tsetse fly yeah ngayisona
okay so wena ukhetha in between ibhola namantombazana
khetha yini ibhola namantombazana actually le heavy question yabo because amantombazana khona lethu ubumnandi
okay
ibhola lethi imali ende ngichubeka ne career ukuthi ngikhethe ibhola because amantombazana there's plenty of fishes in the ocean
singama fishes sesithiwa singama fishes nkosi yami akunandaba my brother thank you so much for your time mina ngumuntu nina ngama fishes thank you so much my brother sharp
ama popcorn yo bafethu what a sad day for Amazon 3 badlale kahle abajita badlala ibhola elimnandi lintswembu but unfortunately babahlabile emlotheni yabo so abajita laba ngaphethe abayithula bangikhumbuza uNemtajela niyamcava mos umjita lo dlala kuBhakaniya mangizonitshela istory sakhe umjita simnandi kakhulu because in 2 years back lesibuya kuyo umjita makadlala ibhola eKasi izinto zayenzeka ngama miracles kaGod now ku Pirates uthola ikhola bafana so abajita ngibaphethe la ngasho ukuthi abantu abadeserve inhlanhle kanjalo ngithola cause italent elikhona la ngithola uyazi mina ngibiza noma ubani ngibiza mama mnandi kuphela nje yabo ngibiza izinja kuphela mawuyinje udila ngezinja so makrotman wami ngizocala ngawe Shavi ngicela uzintroduce wena uzintroduce igama lakho laMampela same thing to you Krotman uzintroduce ngegama lakho laMampela kusho ukuthi ubani wakuphi uphumaphi
Shosho Krotman igama lami ubongani Mlotshwa hlala la kahle ngiphume encane
Khotmani wala Shokran Khotman kama lami usibusiso Nkosi bangibiza uCapitec buya la eKatlego ngenhlanzi
awuyazi ngakubiza ngoCapitec nje yami ibank ephathi imali serious ishuthi umjita uphethe isteke ngitho so yeah maKhotman iquestion yami yokuqala ithi kuze nidlale ibhola lento le yothando lokuthanda ibhola iqale kanjani uqale phi kuze ufike la ukhona yini into ekukhuthazile ukuthi uthanda ibhola and ubani irole model yakho
ukuthanda kwami ibhola lento le i-calling from uNkoti it's a gift uNkulunkulu makakuphe yona akekho umuntu ozoyithatha phuma kuwe ngededication ukuthi uyachubeka kanjani mina irole model yami uTekomdisi
so iKhotmani
shosho mina futhi diske ngidlale ngemncane ekhaya bekune team kahle next door bathi Mighty Brothers so from that since vele ngikhulele endlini vele edlala ibhola vele yabona since vele ngidlala ibhola
bathi iphupho alifu umnikazi esaphila isifiso sami ngunibona fair maKhotmani wami yabo so nizongitshela ngezone 3 because so far ngimcava ndlala ngazi nganibona ndlala le team since ngidlala ku zone 3 and ngiyacava loyalty khona da so mani team as a whole ne like nis prepare kanjani for ama game akanje and you as individually we handle kanjani I pressure like ukudlala especially kuma tournament aso knowing ukuthi kune crowd.
Yeah, ngikhulumele from izone 3. Izone 3 siqale from scratch phansi namuntu sponsorayo sinabajita sahlanganisa then sikhona ukuthi sikwazi egamini nasejimini ama game ethu preparela sa trainer everything hamba sharp.
Sure, okay. Ngapha ku Grootman.
Mina into engayisho mawuzodlala ecrowdini kanje mfethu ukuthi uyehlisa umoya wenza into yaziyo because lebantu laba bonke ne bazokubuyisa bazokuphakamisa futhi so wena yenza into oyaziyo kuyenza nje kuphela.
Sure. Wena ngitshela ukuthi pressure uhandlela kanjani? Uhandlela kanjani pressure?
Mina ngikhule ku pressure for ngisesentwana ngidlala kugcwele egroundini so sekuyinto enormal for mina. Angisanga ukuthi gaming ne pressure nani. Ngimele ngidlala normal game yami as usual.
So since iqalile tournament imakam tournament which team endlale nayo enibona ngathi like toughest team in Canada and which player endlale nalo so far le tournament elingayi tough time?
Sure mina for mina ne
side la.
Mina ngibona team yabo beyisibe ngathi sinike inkinga just ukuthi thina bese ngekho clinical masifika phambili. But thina nje bese deserve le tournament if bese clinical ama opportunities wayenzayo so capitalize kube siyavele siphambili manje siphumelela.
Alikhi player laba problem so far.
Hayi for mina ithi ayikho angiliboni just ukuthi yithi nje inkinga kuphela ukuthi sibe ne finish up straight game.
And na umuntu mina correct. Shavi wena uthini player lingayi problem ne team lingayi inkinga le tournament?
For mina I team esikayi inkinga ayikho but ama changes wabo isithembiso wasebenzele for like of Boshuka umuntu bakhona ukuthi abadlalise obatholele nama goal nayo korile creative so problem esinayo bokushuka but sekona we handle ukuthi sikwazi ukusiza ne plan ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kube 1v1 sibone ukuthi le best lets bezothola first half bazokwazi ukuthi sithole but sekona probably epalinate bebangafiki because it best attack most of the time sikwazi ukwenza homework yethu and sisebenzele ukuthi ama chances azange capitalize. Sure.
So Grootman as you know ukuthi uDecember nangu la iduze and ngoDecember ziyawa blind nama tournament maningi uyalena le so since Grootman lam udlala ama tournament waseKasi which tournament oyibona as if like is the best tournament okwayidlala ngoDecember?
Tournament the best ama Philly ja. Phillies.
Grootman.
Same tournament the best vela ama Philly.
Okay so masikhuluma ngeplayer ama player njenjani udlala ama tournament tough kanje niyazi stake esikhona la eliphi iplayer elingadlaleli zone 3 ungathanda liJohnny Club?
For mina akekho because of khona abajita abangekho abasemathimini bazobuya back isistrengthini team siqhubeke saphambili ngenamba esinayo ngama players nawo sine believe ukuthi singayenza lento noma singaya kuphi so for mina squad esinaso sisha.
Mina into engayisho nje ukuthi angiboni kune place elinidayo just ukuthi thina mele sizitshele nje ukuthi yazini sayenza lento lena siyawina.
Animkhumbula uthela amapoto no Skiroko cause mangikhumbula last time ngicave Davidson midfielder uwe ukila Skiroko nayilungisa lapha umadala wingeni anibakhumbula bathi okay I team so far since bangekho ne like ubona like ukuthi nga adjust kuphi nge absent yabo so far since ngizoya kula tournament lawe niya ku festive.
Yeah, as much as ngisho ngithi amajita nama commitment because of ama team but ama team azovala then abajita bazobuya so strength up I team izoba sharp but noma bangekho there's no different because we have pros nomtoko sinoskara so we're moving forward.
Mina into engayisho ukuthi abajita abafikile eteamini njengoba nawazi ukuthi i-team ne-team iyafika iplayer lahamba iplayer kathona akuna bad energy nani umuntu masekabona yabona something better melaye lapho yabo aphumelele naye sibambele umuntu igrudges kathona ama players nawo nalawo isinawo khona umunye uzohamba futhi yabo sure silungise futhi sithole omunye ekudlala sikanjalo nje ibhola likanjalo nami ngokwami ngeke wazi namhlanje inyadlala ichayi khona omunye ozovela adlale lapho sure.
So as you all know bafethu ukuthi akekho umuntu odlala ibhola ongana role model yabo so wena Shavi njengudlala idisk ubani iplayer okhule ubukela phansi kwalo and ufavor ipi team ku pro side?
Mina iplayer ngikhulele ngibukela phansi kwalo Skara Ngobese and ku pro side ngifavor Pirate.
hayi mina ngiyabe maningi mfethu yabo
ama play khulu okay
sure ngwabukela kahle kahle bengibukela ibhola each and every player angeke wayazi uma uyiplayer uyadlala nini bakuthatha bakusa kuphi center back nini esayidini wathona ngibukela lonke iplayer mina
so role model
uzothi role hayi se role model
okay team favor ku pro side
Pagania sure
so okay so enza kanje currently since uthi now favor Pagania now favor Pagania kahle kahle samabhaka sonke angithola so currently ku Pagania current squad ne imaphi ama player i3 onga mention as like best
for mina a police Mfukeng Siphombulu
currently manje mina ngizothi umkwena uApolisi noMahopa uyasiza makafika
so kulama player wa mentionile ne uApolisi uSiphombule umfukeng start 1 bench 1 and sell
mina ngicala ngoSiphombulu
chef
then ngibhentsha umfukeng apolisi ngiyamambisa
yo azini ngicela ukunikeza ama comment uthi ngithini ngeseka mjida yangithola so wena ngama player mentionile imapha ama player start bench and sell
okay mina manje start obviously umkwena apolisi bench Mahopa sell
so okay asikhulume ngebafana before sivala sokhuluma ngebafana as you all know ibafana yodlala iAfcon December next day ya World Cup which player ku current squad you know basebenza 23 players evayayo so which player ngekho bafana ongathanda ibe khona esquadini
SMS Themkosi Lodge
hlezi ngintshela ngoba ngathi angilazi ibhola hlezi ngintshela anizwa njaya mwena
Lodge
cwala I wish none bafethu one day ngizoba khona la esquadini simcave TV ngizobacocela mina ukuthi labachita ngibaphethe bangiphikisa amavira azoba khona bangibiza ngo evidence ekhasi into engikhuluma ngayo ine evidence yangitho so any word of the day for abantu ababukele especially intwana ezincane kasi ezidlala ibhola ezifuna ukukhula sifike ku pro side
abafana the way indlela abenza ngayo word of the day abachubeke beze emagroundini balene from amakhopmano wabo bachubeke courage yabo bangaleki ibhola cause likususa lento nezibhaya ugcine ungene ema drugs nani so abafocus ebholweni nesigela bapush
sure khopmane
mina into engayitshela abafethu ukuthi mawudlala ibhola into ebalekile training obviously as a team noma uyi1 iyafuneka extra training mawungaphusha ku training lento nayo vele izosivelela
sure makhotmane wami I wish you nothing but the best ne konke nikufisayo ngiyafisa kuyenzeka makhotmane ngizoba khona nami if kuyenzeka ngikubona ye TV ama game ngizo attenda so bafethu all the best hopefully December manje udlala khona i-tournament ezoyibhuncula ngiyabonga isikhathi senu bafethu okay jaya izinja mina ngidila ngezinja uyazi mosh
vele ezidliwayo bazinikeza ama loser yabo njengabo major so manje mina vele ngiphethe winning team but isithembiso so nizos introduce kubantu ukuthi ngabo bani and wakwabani little one
sure kama umduduzo mabaso abangaziyo bangibiza ngoshuka omesi wasekhasi
right
ubonga ndlungana lo abangaziyo bangibiza ngozamrotha
okay so sitsheleni ngegame yeni namhlanje be different kanjani kunalawa amanye ama games and menibhekile how did you guys find today's game overall performance yenu nje
bengekho different kunalawa amake ngoba wonke ama team amadlala nathi afaki effort emo yabo so kwamele sihlezi sizimisele ngaso sonke isikhathi ngoba besazi ukuthi igame benyeke ibe easy
ungangibaleki ne mic ungayibona angilumani don't worry okay
besazi ukuthi igame benyeke ibe easy yabo ngoba njengoba lento iyenzike izolo yabo kuze sidlale replay so bebafuna ukuprove point ukuthi bangayenza namhlanje lento abayenza izolo yabo so bese expected into so
all right
hey game namhlanje bengekho nzima kakhulu but then beyidinga thina ukuthi sifocus sonke isikhathi because besazi ukuthi masuke ethembisa siza la sodlala ekhayeni labo so i-crowd izohamba nabo so iyezobanikeza ipower so amajita ngiyajabula ukuthi akhonile ukuthi abambe leyo lentuzana i-momentum from igame iqala until iziyophela and then akusibuye nama results right.
Speaking of ama results wenu wamanje are different kanjani kunalawa amanye ama results and do you guys think ukuthi this is how you want it guys ukuthi win yenu iphelele kuma penalties or you had better plans?
ama results besingafuni ke ema penalty because score 2 kuqala so kube nzima ukuthi like silose focus lapho nalapho basiphanisha so unfortunately sagcina sesekuma penalty.
Mina yangijabulisa yabo ngoba most of the time masifike ema penalty ayidliwa my the 2 games esidlalile sifine ama penalty so at least iyakhomba ukuthi nanoma engavumanga ngegame nangama penalty singakhona ukuyenza yabo so ngijabulisile ukuthi sikwazile ukuwina nangama penalty.
Okay, so if there was one thing or a few things you'd change about the game yanamhlanje bekuzoba yini lezo zinto lezo?
Ukuthi focus yeah lo kuphela ukuthi focus from the first whistle until I game yophela. Okay, ilo kuphela.
Right. Into engizoyisho ukuthi base score amagoli amaningi sikwazi ukumaintain igame yabo si control ibe ngakithi than ukuthi sihlale emuva yabo yenza ukuthi senze ama mistake amaningi.
Okay, so where to from here, like when it comes to ama games wenu, what are you looking forward to and what are some of the things you'd like to improve?
Just singathanda nje ukuthi improve as ama cheetah sihlale collective as a team njalo. And ama upcoming tournaments akhona asethembisa which is phakathi kwawo la khona iPhillips game and sibheka ukuthi soyithatha this year.
Yeah, mina isifiso sami ne ukuthi siyithathe le tournament le ngoba last time sidlule ku semi final yebo siku semi final futhi so akumele sithathe noma kanjani.
Wamese nithathele nonkama lini? Each of you.
Sicoca le ungawa.
Asikhuluma.
Okay, so what are some of the words you'd give my brother What are some of the words you'd give to yabona nje nigcwalelo intwana ezincane, they're looking up to you guys, so yini into engayisho ku
thandani ground ma gents nibe se ground njalo nibukeleni nifundeni nizimisele emidlalo ibhola zoba grand.
Yeah, mina into engizobatshela ukuthi baziphathe kahle yabo and ukuze ema groundini kuyanceda kakhulu ngoba ibasuse intweni eziningi ezirong yabo so ngajabula abaloke beza kanje bazo support yabo.
Okay, so
ngaba yibo ebabukelayo yabo.
Alright, so ama fans wenu ezisithembiso nami sengifan ngoba nizongipha imali, so ama fans wenu ningathanda ukuthini ku?
Siyabonga for support, siyabonga ukuthi basukele ithembisa baze la bazo support, cela baqhubeke benze njalo.
Okay,
yeah, mina ngiyathanda ukubabonga kakhulu yabo ngoba sekuyisikhathi yabo sidlule ukuthatha ama tournament yabo so ukuthatha tournament kuzobajabulisa kakhulu ngoba nani yabona abahlezi bakhona bazosupporta nanoma sidlala ngobani isikhathi so ngizothanda ukuyisho ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu kuma supporter wethu.
Okay, no, thank you so much for isikhathi senu. Congratulations once again. Nithatheni guys, phela nizobe seningifaka ku tight position. Sengiplanning ukuthi Cape Town, Durban yabo. Manje ke nithatheni lelo ntuzana. Congratulations and we wish you nothing but the best ku future yenu and as a team in a whole. Nayi.
Ngiyadlala.
Siyabonga.
Okay, thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you. So, ngithi mina bafana bami yabona manifuna kuba right.
Yeah.
Follow isithembiso, love football, stay away from drugs.
Yes.
Thank you, please, thank you, bye.
Yes. Oh, manje wena ukhula bodlala ibhola.
Ngabhlungu kabi.
Bodlala iphi position?
Left and right.
Abongapha nangapha.
Ngiyangibona. Cameraman angibona ngithi left and right.
Left and right. Izinja ngiyakubona ufake nebhande la captain. Eish. Yeah. Ngiyakutshela mina ngithemba wena. Bese lena
ukuba i-captain it's a leadership.
Okay.
And mawulead abantu ungalead abantu in a wrong way. Lead them into a right direction. Yes mina abafundi besithembiso yimi captain yabo.
Manje wena ukhethani between ibhola namantombazana?
Ayibhola.
Amantombazana kwenzeni?
Ayaheta.
Guys, why nenza kanje? Okay, no, it's fine my brother. Thank you. Congratulations captain. Sharp izinja. Bathi 5-10 yadlala guys, ngiphethe ifan yama 10-10 bawinile nabo. Guys, bekunyiwa kule ground beniguphi kanti nina ayinana nimameli hlala ngimtshela ukuthi sizani, but it's fine my brother. Please introduce yourself, utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani.
Osabona my sister njani?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila. Lo umela phambi kwakho Sizwe kaMsibi aka Mahamutsa.
yeah ifeni yama 10-10.
Okay, so i-performance yama 10-10 namhlanje ikuphatha kanjani? How did you find the whole performance?
My sister, into engizoqala ngisho nje ngithi ngiqale ngisho vele from saqala vele le tournament le ngithi abambheke umpoko. So for mina my sister, before ngiphendula iquestion yakho, for mina ama 10-10 le tournament la azoyithatha abamnikeza umpoko into yakhe my sister. And regarding I performance yama 10-10 amajita adlalile namhlanje, especially I first half asiprovile ukuthi ayifuna le tournament, just bokunama hiccups nyana ngokuthi vele babadlala ne team vele tough I Free State Vultures. Motabheka vele ucoach we Free State Vultures uyawazi lama player adlala kuma 10-10, but all in all amajita nje adlala mangaqhubeka nje aqhubeke de adlala ngakhona azoyithatha le tournament. But for all in all njengakusho nje my sister nje I-tournament is so far ngibona I-right ama team amaningi vele nayasiprove vele ukuthi vele bayifuna, but I-best team izoyithatha le team and which is ama 10-10 pos zonke.
Okay, before ngizokubuza lo mbuzo engizokubuza wona manje, mawubhekile igame namhlanje, was it fair when it comes to ama referee, the fans, now ama teammates, the opposite team, was it fair?
My sister, le ama ref nokuthi bawafe ini nange ngize ngikhulume kakhulu ngaye kanjalo, but into engayisho nje my sister asiyizinto abasizinikeze ku board laba ikhulu abantu abazothatha ama decision as le game le beqeda ukuphela manje isithembiso ne zone 3 ngiza bathi amajita afakile protest la i-protest laba be izone 3 ngayenza ukuthi isithembiso siphinde siphume, so asase sobona khona, kodwa mina ngimele noma ubani, so isikamanje vele sibona ukuthi vele isithembiso yise sawinile next week nje ama 10-10 versus Thembiso, so ababhasope nje my sister ababhasope yabo refi ini nange ngize ngifakaze kakhulu my sister, but ibhola bafana.
Yazi lo isho I dangerous ne, because ngikutshele last week or last week bing interview ama fans we konje yini umtakasi ne what's that ne fire sniper yathi so bashaya thina umtakasi bafika le babayenzani whippy. So wena manje uthi ama 10-10 azoyenzani?
Azoyithatha le tournament.
Singayenzeki ke na buti.
My sister. Ngicela ni save vele le video le ni save. Next week indaba ngikho sho ukuthi vele I fixture ime kanjani, but ngicela nje uyisave le fixture le video le izothi mayiphela I tournament next week ngizobe ngila. Noma bathi kenzakaleni but ngizobe ngila. Kodwa into ngisagcizelela kule nto le ngishilo ukuthi ama 10-10 azoyithatha le nto le.
Hey cha nine fan elwayo ma 10-10. No my brother, thank you so much for your time. Sengathi ngenzeka the way ufuna kwenzeke ngakhona, but ke sobona khona. But iqhude maningi ngisho yazi.
My sister ukuyivala nje bengiphethe nje iboard la libhale ukuthi boss zonke akanandaba unehaba. Yamazi boss zonke my sister. Sifisa umlife intwana uHotman asekasi ngikhule vele ngimbhekelela, so uHotman elingikhuthaza alidlala ibhola, so bayazi abantu ukuthi vele ngiyamthanda vele ngiyamfostana le wadlala ngakhona, so abamnikeza into yakhe my sister. I-player bengifisa nje ukubona adlala ku PSL, but izinto azange sihambe the way vele sifisa ngakhona ngoba uyazi vele impilo injani, so yena makangaqhubeka baqhubeka de wadlala ngakhona untwana uzoya phambili.
Okay, no, thank you so much for your time again. Sizobona sobona khona ukuthi ama 10-10 wakho perform kanjani yabo.
Okay, come next week ngizobona my sister. Sharp bonge mina.
Thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in until the end. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that every time we drop, you're already within, guys. Siyabonga. Thank you so much for the continuous support. Please do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at Buhlebendalo_Tracy2 Instagram, Buhlebendalo18 on TikTok. Until next time, guys.
I mean, I'm afraid I don't have so much to say. In terms of you showing isibukele, subscribe phela nje. Yeah, comment guys inyinto ne and bheka inyinto ezongitshela yona, ngicela ukuthi kuma comment section nisho ukuthi ubani nimfunayo next, nani type wena ama question ukuthi sibabuze ukuthini, lento enizosibuza yona enizoyibhala kuma comments sizoyi-approve sibabuze. Sisonke lento asethu kuphela siyifamily mina nawe wethu sancanya abafethu showcase.
One sentence, Speak and Frostan.
1 2
3 Speak and Frostan.
Sure abafethu bengisacela ukuthi nibukeleni Speak and Frostan, salidinga usuzelweni ezomphakathi, masingabambisana singaya kude. Ngicela ukuthi nisubscribeeni, nifolloweni noma ningalike akunandaba, siyalidinga usuzelweni. Thanks.
Comment. Yes. batshela awusen right yeah
sure bafethu igama uJunior sicela nibukeleni ispeak and for stand isikicast bafethu sisanicela njengoba shilo umjida ngiyabonga amajida
sharp